Have you ever wondered how our genes understand the language of life? How does a simple sequence of DNA translate into complex proteins that build and maintain our bodies? The answer lies in the role of codons in gene expression. Imagine the genetic code as a book written in a three-letter language, where each word is known as a codon. Just like how a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a gene's expression begins with a start codon and ends with a stop codon. Take, for example, the gene FOXP2. Its expression begins with the start codon UG. This marks the beginning of the translation process where DNA is transcribed into messenger RNA or mRNA. This mRNA contains a sequence complementary to the FOXP2 gene. During translation, the mRNA is read by structures called ribosomes in groups of 3 nucleotides, the codons. The ribosomes start reading at the EG start codon and continue until they encounter one of the stop codons, UAG, UAA, or UGA. Now consider the protein XZ. This protein is synthesized from the mRNA produced by the FOXP2 gene's expression. During translation, the ribosomes read the mRNA's codons and translate them into amino acids. It's the specific sequence of these codons that determines the sequence of amino acids in the XZ protein. The specific codons in the mRNA code for the amino acids that make up the XZ protein. The stop codons, UAG, UAA, or UGA, signal the end of translation and the release of the synthesized protein. So in essence, genes, codons, and proteins are all part of an intricate dance of life. The gene is the blueprint, the codons are the instructions, and the protein is the final product. It's a fascinating process that sheds light on how life is coded and how that code is expressed. Remember the FOXP2 gene and the XZ protein? They're just one example of this incredible process. Every gene in our bodies is expressed in this way, resulting in the myriad proteins that make us who we are. So next time you marvel at the complexity of life, think about the humble codon, the 3-letter word that translates the language of life.